Do you want to create interactive quizzes faster and easier? A very useful AI tool for educators, which will save you hours of time. Just go to Quizgecko, select Topic, and enter the topic of your choice. Select the question type and difficulty level, and click on Generate, and then we are done. We have a list of interactive multiple-choice questions, and once you click on Show Answers, you will get the correct answers for these questions. To know more about ChatGPT and these kind of AI tools, join our 7-day national-level online FDP on ChatGPT and AI tools for educators aligned with OBE. If you are an educator, don't miss out on this opportunity. You can learn live from experts, where they are revealing 100+ use cases of ChatGPT and various AI tools for educators. It's a 7-day FDP where you will be having 2-hour live sessions. Register now and submit your details to get the link to join the first day's free online session.